Oh, welcome back. Well, my friends at AOSU have asked me to review their video doorbell Ultra and Wi-Fi home base. It can be battery or hardwired, so if you've got electric to your existing doorbell, you can do that. All the accessories are in the box, and we've just had another detection. At the moment, I've got it on long. That reduces the battery life, so if you have it a little bit closer to the property, so it only picks up people who are within the gate, the battery can last up to 6 months. And it's quite easy to charge, quite easy to remove off the actual door using the equipment supplied. So let's have a little look in the box. Of course it's empty-ish. Lots there, look, video doorbell, mounting bracket, screw hole, positioning card. You've got the angle at 15 degrees if you need it, the home base unit with the little ears on there, the power pin to add to your plug depending on where you live in the world, USB charging cable, extension wires to plug it into the electric, screw pack, Phillips headed screwdriver, quick start guide, and doorbell detaching pin. Now, doesn't that look pretty? So we open all this up, and of course we'll never miss a visitor. Not now. And there was the Phillips screwdriver, and behind that shield is the charging bit. Everything else has been fitted, done. I did the app myself, didn't need any younger person to help me set it all up, and we're still learning. But anybody with some knowledge would soon get used to this. So let's have a look at some of the notifications. We're quite interested in this because we have already got a doorbell, but the extortionate costs each month, it's gone up again. This is free, the app and everything, and there's more than enough storage on this to last. And we are impressed. This is my second time of trying this, so let's just see. Someone appearing. Let's have a look at that one. Just takes a wee while to load, and are they coming in or are they just passing? They're just passing. But there's a few here. That's staying. We had an issue out the front. It got a little bit loud, so I've redone the video. But while you're away from home, it's important. Mrs. K's about to say something. Just judder about her a bit, but we're a little away from the base station. We'll just... Right, let's pop up to the front door and see what happens when we press the bell. So I've just walked up, it's detected me and just give us a notification. Just let it connect. Oh, look at that chap there. It's on speaker phone there, so we can speak into there, but we can...
Hello, can I help you? Speak into there.
Hello, what do you want? Little bit of a delay on some of that.
Please leave the package in front of the door. Thank you.
And then we can just hang up, he says. So, let's disappear out the front. There's the best deterrent. Skylar, sit. A good lad. Our old doorbell is now in the back garden, and we will be cancelling the subscription because it's extortionate, and we've found that this gives us all the information we need to keep ourselves safe, and Mrs. K, you know, happy that she can see what's going on without having to go to the door. The affiliated link is in the description below. I've just showed you everything. It's up to you to make your own decision if you want to use that affiliated link to have a look at what they do and make your own decision. But I only review things that I think are worth it, and this definitely is. And like I said, if we want to add to that subscription, we can, but I don't think it's needed. We can do everything with this. Thumbs up or thumbs down for the interaction. Leave me a comment. Have you had dealings with AOSU, good or bad? Pop them into the comments, and why not consider subscribing? Take care, my friends. Till next time. Ta-ra for now.